Hi everybody, Simon Whiteley here. For those of you that were going to go to the MIT stamp workshop in Boston, which has now been cancelled, you may or may not know, but typically on a Wednesday evening I organise a meetup where everyone can get together at a pub, have a chat, have a few drinks, chew the fat, tell some war stories, get to know each other, socialise. And obviously we're not going to be able to do that this year, so what I thought I would try is organise an online meetup where we all get together in a Zoom meeting room, have a few drinks and a bit of a chat together and just see how we get on, socialise, have a bit of a laugh. So with that in mind, I'm going to organise the meetup same time as I would have done in Boston, so 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Boston time, which is 10 p.m. London time. I'll include a link in the comments, so click and register so that I know you're going to attend. And then also I'm going to live broadcast it into a Facebook group, so if you can't make it into the meeting room, at least you can still take part in the chat and get to know each other better. I know it's a bit of an odd thing to try, but in the new world of coronavirus and all this kind of stuff, we'll just have to see how we get on. So Wednesday evening, 6 p.m. Eastern time, click on the link below, register your details, and let's have a few drinks and a chat. See you Wednesday.